outdoors inspired video. I'm taking over the channel right now. This guy back here, I don't know who this guy is, but he's been creeping around and following me around out here in the forest. But no, seriously, we're out here fishing here. We're at 11 Mile State Park? 11 Mile State Park out here, and we're doing a little bit of fishing here. I got my sandals on because that tickled. I'm also on a few sody pops. There's my bobber right there. There's some other Sam Squanchins over there. Yeah, here we go. Hope you enjoy the video.
Oh, that's your camera.
There's a campsite up there. These cool little coves everywhere. 11 Mile. Haven't really been getting much action fishing wise, but definitely nice views. Just a cool place to be. Oh, there's Jackson. Jackson! What's going on? There you go. Well, you didn't make it. It hit the shore. Looks like Jackson got snagged on a bush. It's my nephew Jackson, by the way. Up here fishing with the fam. Be careful. Find where the hook is and grab the hook itself. You're gonna have to grab the hook. I just found a new little cove to try out. Some nice views. Trying to get closer to the center of the lake. I heard the points are the best to fish off of. Like the farthest point that's around me, so I'm trying it out here. Awesome views though. Love all these huge boulders and it's a nice little mountain lake, eh, Furby? Come here. Just out here fishing with my little niece, Haley. Say hi. My nephew Jackson over there. He's determined to catch a fish.
Daddy over there.
Uh-huh.
Daddy over there.
Campsite over there.
I'm looking for crawdads.
So,
Where's the crawdad?
Alright, here's the only fish we caught of the day. My brother caught it. He went out on a boat. I guess that's the only way you catch a fish over here on 11 Mile. So I fished all day on shore and didn't get one bite. Anyway, he's about ready to process it so we could cook it up.
I'm Uncle Russ's niece.
This is Haley, my niece.
I really want one.
Alright.
let that butter sizzle.
Leave some butter in there.
Don't drop the camera in the fire.
Some veggies, potatoes.
Wait. Uncle Rock, let me show them the 9 block.
Go.
A little salt and pepper. This is a pretty basic recipe.
It's not a recipe. Holy crap.
Salt, pepper, and lemon juice.
That's how I do. It's all I do.
I'll send that to you somehow. They cleaned up dog poop.
Oh yeah, boy. Take her there. Right there. Look, baby. Come on.
Did you check on your fishy food?
Go check on it for me. Looks like it's almost about done. It's probably about a good pound. Making some pork chops to go along with it.
We killed a pig hours ago and slaughtered it. Butchered it.
That's good.
There's a little bit of Kikkoman. Soy sauce on there.
Soy pork. It's good, boy. What do you think? It's probably done now, huh?
Come get this, Ross.
You gotta have some beans to go along with it. Some baked beans. Some vegetables. What's all in there?
We have squash, zucchini, green bell pepper, onion, potato. That's it.
Now some white beans.
Alright, I think we're about done.
Alright, get it off. Close again. Round two. Let's do the taste test again.
Alright, here it is. Finished product. Rainbow trout caught at 11 Mile
Let's see.
about an hour ago. Come out good.
Yeah, that's good. Try the bones come off sometimes.
Pretty good.
Here, let's get Dana's official reaction.
I have no makeup on
We're
them.
gonna get Dana's official
My
reaction.
unofficial reaction.
Let's see.
You should cover this so it stays hot.
Let's see.
That's a good chunk.
Well, smells good.
Where's the cover?
Pretty good.
Everybody seems to agree that it's good.
Now it's time for my. Tell me what.
Ow.
Good.
Pretty good. I get. I don't know if you can see this. Pretty good.
Except for the bones.
What is that?
Those are the bones.
Meat even has like a little bit of a pinkish flavor. You could tell it's like wild. It's almost like a salmon. Good. Thank you.
Might be.